this. Yeah, 100% Chinese and English. Okay, so I need an app. Battery 7.2 volt, and that should be good. So they just open it up. Wow, it's very light. So there's the camera right there. Tracks are plastic tracks. So, all right. And yeah, it is very light. In this box, that's the snow plow. So this is gonna be attaching to the front here somehow. We actually probably like this. I don't know what this is. Back piece of some sort. Probably this goes here. Bunch of stickers. Kyosho Blizzard. Let's open up the shell. Really, just two simple clips and the shell is out. So this is the camera. Wow, it's slick. I'll try to put a 2S battery. Hopefully it'll still work. So to attach this snow plow, I'm gonna have to take apart this gear cover, this plastic shell. So just like that. So just moving this camera cable. Supposed to go through this. And attach to that screw, I think, right there. So there. Oh, it's actually right here. The screw is already prefixed. It comes with it. So I'm just gonna take this apart. Okay, one, two. Let's. This is very difficult to get to, actually. This arm. Yeah, it's a bit tight spot. Oh, guess I could move it forward. Okay, so that helps. Yep. Yeah, I never drove this thing. I mean, so I'm assuming servo is gonna make it go up and down, while these are individually driven motors. I'm gonna have to hit both going up, forward, to go forward and backward, and reverse direction in the motor. So it's just gonna turn. That's how usually tanks work. So let's see. Uh-oh. Tighten this thing a little bit more. I don't know if I should leave that much play. It's got a little bit of play. Okay, that's fine. Don't make it super tight. Now, again, it's good that from the factory the screws are here, preset, one here for these two links. So there you go. Now it's snug and tight. Come up all the way, go all the way down, and should be good. Now I'm gonna have to put the camera mount and everything back. Antenna, receiver, put it here, pop this back in. Okay, should be good. Okay, light and easy. So all I have is a 2S battery with Traxxas connector, but I'm gonna have to convert the connection. So let's see, this 2S. Hopefully it'll fit. All right, perfect. So that's the Onyx 5000 milliamp 2S. Hopefully, inshallah. I'm not gonna fry out the motors or ESC. So alright, this one goes red to red. Tamiya goes to Tamiya. Red to red. Download the receiver app in my iPad. Hit 2 channel. Let's turn this on. The back of this. It's the on switch. Bismillah. Alright. It's doing something. Let's go. I'm gonna connect to this. I'm gonna go to the settings. Password is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit join. Alright, good. I'm gonna go back to the app and hit camera. And this doesn't work. Connected to Wi-Fi again. Let's open my receiver one more time. Understood. Oh, wow. Wow. Seems I gotta run much more setup. I go to X, let's go back. Basically, the reason why none of this was working was because I didn't run the initial setup. So, hit that, auto select, 6 channel, and then Blizzard, and then hit back, and then return to main screen. Alright, so something just happened. So hopefully oh, I see. So I gotta control these together somehow. So that I see. So here, both of them together goes forward, or yeah, weird. So this way, nothing. That way, nothing. If I go up, let's see. If I go up, it goes back. If I go down, it goes forward. If I do like that, turns right. If I do this, counterclockwise. Okay. Now how do I do the snowplow? And the button is snowplow is easier than I thought. I don't know how is it working, but fine, I guess. Camera on, and I could see what's in front of me. Well, I don't like the control. That's easier would be further in actual mode. See, it works when it wants to work. Okay, so that's the setup. I'm just gonna put the body on and take it for a spin.